guys, welcome to this $3 Wish heated eyelash curler review. So yes, I bought a heated eyelash curler off of Wish for $3.80 and I paid $5 shipping, so the shipping was actually more than the product, so in total I paid $8.80. I also wanted to mention that I saw the exact same brand of eyelash curler on Amazon for $25. So that's just food for thought. If you're looking to purchase something off Amazon, take a look on Wish first because it might be on there for way cheaper. It took about 2 months to ship to me. I live in Canada and I've been using it now every day. Pretty much every day I apply makeup for a month and a half. It has a very, very simple design. Here's the cap. Here's what you put on your actual eyelashes. It has an on and off switch, and then I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little indicator light that turns red when it's on. And then it takes a AAA battery right in there, just like that. It's extremely easy and simple, and I like that. I also wanted to mention that this battery lasts about a month if you use a good brand battery. So I use the Energizer brand. If I use a cheaper brand, it only lasts like a week or two. So that's something else to keep in mind. So I just wanted to show you guys close up how it looked and the features and everything in the design of it. But I also filmed a demo for you guys. So we are going to get to that portion of the video right now.
So it takes about a minute to fully heat up, and as you can see, I'm now holding it against my eyelashes in order to curl them. I usually hold them against my eyelashes for about 30 seconds to a minute. I don't have any mascara on, and here's how they look in comparison to my uncurled eyelashes. So as you can see, it has lifted my eyelashes and made them more curly. I have found that I get the best results when I combine using a heated eyelash curler along with a regular eyelash curler. I get way more curl by heating up my eyelashes, and they also stay curled for longer. So I do combine the regular eyelash curler and the heated eyelash curler for maximum curl. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm curling my eyelashes with a regular eyelash curler, and here's how it looks now when you use both the heated and unheated eyelash curler in comparison to my normal uncurled straight lashes. Now lastly, for an even more dramatic effect, I'm going to show you how my lashes look with mascara on after I have fully curled them. As you can see, there is an insane transformation with my eyelashes after I've curled and put mascara on in comparison to my normal straight lashes. I find that just using a conventional curler alone does not achieve this much length and volume with my lashes. So in conclusion, this lash curler was totally worth the $3 I invested, and it is now a part of my everyday makeup routine. If you guys enjoy makeup product reviews like this, please subscribe. I'll have lots to come. Thanks for watching.